What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kendrick Motorsports. I'm Sam, and today is another shop day. I know those aren't the most exciting, but we haven't been doing a lot of exciting stuff lately, so you get another shop day. We're actually getting ready for this weekend. Is the 4th of July, so we have a lot of stuff planned. There's supposed to be a big race Friday night for the go-karts, and Saturday we are going out to our buddy Dylan's house. Should be riding the Neon out in the field and taking it mudding and the four-wheelers and a couple other things planned that may or may not surprise you. So, so we have a lot of preparation to do, and that's why we're doing so many shop days this week and last week. But today, I finally got the parts in for my four-wheeler. They took forever to get here, went to the wrong place, and finally got to my house today. So I'm going to put those in. And then I got to take the tires off the go-kart that I'm racing this week and wash them, get them prepped and ready to go. So, stick around. The rear axle out so I can put the bearings in it. It's not too bad. We already had it out. We put it back in and didn't realize the bearings were as bad as they were. So that's why it has to come back out again. But I'll tell you what, it is hot. We're here in Western New York. It is about 80 degrees still at 8 o'clock at night. And humidity is probably sitting right around 80 to 90%. It is so hot and humid. And I don't know about you, but I like winter. Give me 3 feet of snow and 20 degrees, and I am a happy dude. This stuff, it's fun, but you can keep it. Snowmobile, ski, yeah, that's my stuff. But either way, let's get it done. Let's get these bearings in here, get some oil in it, and let's get this four-wheeler back out on the road.
every breath I breathe you out. We just can't take it any higher. It's only fair we let each other go without. Oh, this is hard to admit. I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. Oh, what we had was a bliss, but it's falling to bits. All in this is it. Our time is up. We both knew it shouldn't have to hurt this much. I don't want it to see it, but we've lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to hurt too much. I don't want it to see it, but we've lost touch. My heart can't take it any longer. This careless love is getting old. Let's face it, we're not getting younger. If all is said and done, it's time we let it go. Oh, this is hard to admit. I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. Oh, what we had was a bliss, but it's falling to bits. All in this is it. Our time is up. We both knew it shouldn't have to hurt this much. I don't want it to see it, but we've lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to hurt too much. I don't want it to see it, but we've lost touch. So much for this love. Time to give it up. So much for this love. Wanted it too much, yeah, we wanted it too much. Our time is up. We both know it shouldn't have to hurt this much. I don't want it to see it, but we've lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to hurt too much. I don't want it to see it, but we've lost touch. So much for this love. Time to give it up. So much for this love. Wanted it too much, yeah, we wanted it too much.
Well, that is everything for today. We got the four-wheeler done. I still have to adjust the brakes a little bit, but for the most part, they're working really well. I am super happy to finally have this out of the shop. It's been in here since February. So glad it's done. But that's it for tonight. I am dirty, sweaty. I'm gonna go home, take a shower. That's it for today. Thanks for watching Kendrick Motorsports. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next one.